it is really a good, like a technique to when you do a presentation, that we see it. And also when you leave, that it is the last thing that we see. Being focused, being clear, being listening to each other and to the audience. Some secret details of clown, like the timing. So it count to 3 before answer.
For example, an exercise about taking the fall as a clown, which is accepting that you are a failure and that you have failed. So to accept that and to be in this state, and then to transform it into how you will get out of the failure. The mime is perfect to use together with clown because it's the language without words, which is a universal language which fit very good with the clown.
And the clown is really clear in emotion. The way to show it is to be ready in the body for full expression and
explore the rate of our possibilities of emotions.
Isolation, for example, also. The isolation exercise from the mime is helping too. Where is the focus?
Yeah.
Helps with those physical exercise of mime as well. And the creativity and the fantasy is really connected with mime, because miming is pretending and shaping things that we cannot see, and we're so used to the eye. But then when you mime it, it's opening for imagination.
You can say the world of mime help us enter together with the clown into new possibilities and a new world of expression.